Hello everyone, today we are going to see how you can set up your own hacking lab. For this to happen, the first step is to download a VirtualBox. Now I know there are a number of methods by which you can set up your hacking lab, but in my opinion the best way to do it is by using VirtualBox. Now the reason for that is that you can perform your daily task in your host operating system, such as in my case Windows or OS X, any other operating system, and side by side you can practice hacking using the virtual operating system. Now the biggest advantage of this is that if you somehow break your virtual operating system, it will have no impact on your host operating system. So you can just go and delete the virtual system and you can install it again without any loss of any kind of data. So first of all, you need to go to this website and download the VirtualBox for your system. If you're using Windows, then click on this one. If you're using OS X, then in this one. So once you finish the downloading, this is the VirtualBox file, and just open this and install it. It will hardly take a few minutes to get installed, and then you can proceed with the further things. So I already have the VirtualBox installed, so I'm not going to install it once again. It's very simple to install it. So this is how the interface of VirtualBox will look like. You won't be having this virtual operating system as of now. So now the next step is to download Kali Linux. Now you can download the Kali Linux from this website. I'll leave the link in the description area. You can just go and choose 64-bit system and you can download it from these links. Now when you have finished downloading, this is how it will look like. Now you just need to open this and you will find this pop-up and you just need to click on import. I already have it here, so I'm not going to do it once again. So after import, it will take around 10 to 12 minutes depending upon your system. So now you need to go to settings of the Kali Linux and you can set all the parameters here. So in my case, I have assigned it 2 GB of base memory. You can assign it even more if you have a higher RAM. If you have external monitor, you can set up the parameter here. And now this is the part where some of you might be facing some problem, because this will be set to this option by default. You need to click on NAT network, and here you won't find the option. Here I guess it will not show anything. So it's important for us to enable the NAT network, because the NAT network will enable the Kali Linux inside the VirtualBox to access the internet from your host operating system. In simple language, the Kali Linux will not be able to access the internet if you don't set up the NAT network. So if you got the NAT network by default, then you don't need to do anything, you just need to click OK. But for the ones who did not get this option, go to File, Preferences, Networks, and here you just need to click on this plus sign. And when you click on this option will appear here. Just press OK and then you're all good to go. Then you come back here and go to Network, select NAT network, and this option will be visible. Just click on OK and you can launch your Linux from here. Now the default username for the Kali is root, R-O-O-T. The default password is TOOR. Now as you can see, the Linux has been installed successfully in your system. Now you can practice all your hacking skills on this distro. But there is one more thing you need to do. As you're practicing hacking, you need a target system. You can't just go and target anyone near you without taking their permission. That would be illegal. So you need to install a virtual Windows as well. So you can follow the same steps which I told you. There's not much difference, and you can install the target system here. So that's all for now. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more cool stuff in the hacking world. Thanks for watching.